All right, 8.4, day one, number 11. This is kind of a weird review one, but we want to know which of these equations matches the graph. In a moment of pure panic, you could type these in one at a time in your calculator and see if you can figure out which one graphs. The other trick to remember is that the relationship between the equation and the graph, one of the relationships is these points where it crosses on the x-axis are the solutions, right? So if we go through and look, these points are x equals 2. This one is x equals -1. And then this one is x equals, let's see, -1, -2, -3, -4. X equals -4. Okay, and then from there you would have to realize that if those are the solutions, then the little factors must be x plus 4, x plus 1. That's how we would get this answer of -1. And if you had an answer of 2, x minus 2 must be a factor. Okay, and so that would help us figure out that looks like D would be the right answer to this. Okay, so this is just all from, I forget, there's chapter 5, but the relationship between the solutions, the factors, and then the equation. What we're essentially doing here too, by the way, is there's like the standard form for a polynomial, so like x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay, and then there's factored form, which is to break it apart. So that factors like this. And then once you've got it factored, you can set each factor to 0 to get the two answers. So those are called like the solutions. And then that also ties into the graph. So for this particular polynomial, we know that it would cross at -3 and -4. Right, so the graph would look something like that for the polynomial. Sorry, I missed the numbers, but it would cross at -4 and -3. Okay, and so there's ties between all of this one. So this question, we took the graph, wrote the solutions, then wrote the factored form, and then that's what we had to match up with was the factored form. So this answer is just the polynomial in factored form. All right, hopefully that helps. This is a good review and stuff that's super useful for whatever math class you take next.